Is the United Kingdom in a recession? A recession is a business cycle contraction that occurs when there is a period of broad decline in economic activity. In particular, recessions generally occur when there is a widespread drop in spending. Recession rule of thumb. The typical rule of thumb is that 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth indicates that a country is in a recession. So is the United Kingdom in a recession? No, technically. According to the Office for National Statistics, the UK economy grew by approximately 0.3% in the second quarter of 2025, which is the April to June period. And this growth is slowing down after growing by 0.7% in the first quarter of 2025, which is the January to March period. The growth was driven by increases in the services sector, production, construction, gross fixed capital formation, net trade, and household consumption. However, concerns are escalating as the growth indicators are weak. What increases recession risk? Although the UK is not technically in a recession, sectors like manufacturing are weak, with new orders plunging to their lowest since early 2025 and business sentiment cooling. This is according to the Office of National Statistics. Another factor that increases the likelihood of a recession is the job market. For example, employment continues to weaken, marking the 11th consecutive month of decline, though not enough to push the economy into recession yet. What decreases recession risk? Recession risk decreases when governments implement effective fiscal policies, like tax cuts and spending, and monetary policies, like lowering interest rates, to stimulate growth. Are we going into a recession? My personal take is that the risk of the United Kingdom will enter into a recession is greater than 50%. Authorities such as the National Institute of Economic and Social Research, NIESR, state that the UK is already in a recession,